genome evolution, nucleotide substitutions. Genome can also be evolved, or there are evolution of the genome due to the nucleotide substitutions. There are two phenomena. First one is damaging of the DNA, which is also called as damage of the DNA, and copy error during the process of replication. So during the process of replication, DNA can be damaged and there can be error while the replication of the DNA. More generations per unit time, there are chances of more errors during the replication of the DNA or during the replication of the genome. So rate of damage might stay constant. Most of the organisms, they have a repair mechanisms. If there is a wrong base, if the DNA is damaged or during the replication, a wrong base is incorporated into the DNA, the repair system of the genomes, the wrong base is excised, removed, and the complementary base is attached to that specific point. So this system is called as a repair mechanism system. In case of mammals, the rate of transition is actually the change of pyrimidines to pyrimidines or purines into purines. So the rate of change of transition is almost double as compared to the transversions. So what are transversions? Transversions are the change of nucleotides from pyrimidine into purine and purine into pyrimidine. So in case of mammals, the transition changes are more, almost double when we compare it with the transversions. Nucleotide substitution works as a fuel for the genome evolution. So how the DNA is damaged and how the DNA is repaired. If there is a change in the DNA sequence, if there is a substitution in the DNA sequence, like here, in place of G, there should be actually T, thymine. So A and G, so this is a wrong base. This base can be direct reversed. So by the process which is called as DNA repair system. The second method can be mismatch repair. That if there is a mismatch repair, the DNA polymerase identify the mismatch and it removes from that particular location and incorporates the relevant nucleotide. So this phenomena is called as mismatch repair. The third phenomena is called as nucleotide excision repair, which is also the type of DNA repair system in which the wrong nucleotide has been incorporated is excised, it is cut from the DNA and the complementary nucleotide is attached. So this phenomena is called as nucleotide excision and nucleotide excision repair. Means the nucleotide is excised, it is cut from the DNA and the complementary nucleotide is incorporated in the sequence of the DNA. So these are three different methods. There can be direct reversal of the actual nucleotide, there can be mismatch repair, and there can be nucleotide excision repair. Other methods of the repair system can be a recombinational repair that can also repair the wrong substitutions. This is the phenomena that has been elaborated, that what is recombinational repair. And the last is base excision repair, where the wrong base is excised and the relevant and the complementary nucleotide is incorporated by the DNA polymerase. So nucleotide substitution works as a fuel for the genome evolution, because this is a normal phenomena in the genomes, in the DNAs, that wrong nucleotides, they are incorporated during the replication or when there is a damage of the DNA. So if the DNA repair system corrects the wrong base, and if it do not corrects, then the genome and it is transferred to the daughter cells and the next cell that makes the basis for the genome evolution. Nucleotide substitution can be by two different methods. One, that is, there are two causes of the nucleotide substitution. First, the DNA damage, and the second, copy error during replication. Nucleotide substitution also works as a fuel for the genome evolution.